God haven't turned his back on you. He's saying, but I'm allowing you to be tested in the wilderness because I want to see what's in you. When you lose your job and money gets low and death takes your loved ones and all kinds of things happen to you, God want to be able to look at you and see that, like Job, you're still saying, though he slay, yet will I trust him. All the days of my appointed time, I'm just going to wait. Bills are due, but I'm going to wait. The push is trying to get me to sell drugs, but I'm going to wait. You don't hear what I'm saying? It doesn't matter what's going on in my life, I'm going to wait. Because I know the wilderness is designed to get me ready for the promised land.